Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's your boy Tail, aka Tail. What's up guys? Anyway, so I'm gonna give you guys an update on Instacart. Before I do that, make sure you guys like, subscribe to the video, and share. Turn on your post notifications, and make sure you guys share the video if you are 18 and over and you're trying to make quick cash. This is the best app for you. This is no lies, no gimmicks, and none of that. I made money off of it, and I can show you guys how much I made like in a week. If it's really up to you, like I said. So make sure you guys subscribe and like and share the video. Let's get into it. Before we get into this video, I want to apologize for the background noise. My family loves to talk loud when I'm shooting videos or making YouTube videos. I don't know why. And I talk about it all the time on my damn TikToks, and I'm sorry guys, but that's why I bought this microphone. Anyways, so if Instacart has these bags, which are 20 to 30 bucks, I want to say, they give you 4. Obviously, I got more right here. They're brand new. Me personally, I do not recommend you guys to buy these because they're useless and pointless for you when you are shopping. These are good, like if, you know what I mean? If I go shopping right now for myself, like, oh, I need bags, then these are the perfect because then you can zip it. Like, yeah, it's for my groceries. Like, I'm gonna take them off. Like, I'm gonna take it out and put it in my household. You know what I mean? You know what I mean? This is for like your personal use, not like to go out there and work, make the money. I don't know why Instacart put this in. This is useless, in my opinion. So do not buy it. I don't recommend for you guys to buy it. Other than that, Instacart has sent me items to like help me out when I go shopping. They have sent me free hand sanitizer and a face mask. Obviously, I don't have it. I left it in the car. It's easy money, guys. You can make like $200 to $400 max, I want to say, or $500. It matters on the batches, which means on the swings, which means on the customers what they want. And it matters how much time you want to spend on that. Like my shift starts obviously when I wake up. That's me. I'm my own boss. That's how I see it, and that's how you guys should see it too. It's up to you guys how much you want to make, like I said. So when I wake up, like at 7 o'clock, I brush my teeth, get ready for the day, which like we're like 6:50, and then at 7 o'clock I'm ready, and I just go on the phone, log in, answer all the questions, boom, boom, boom. 7 o'clock, and I see like 3 batches pop up, obviously, because people, you know what I mean, don't want to wake up, they want breakfast or they forget something, and like $20, $30 batches will pop up. It's up to you, like I said. You're your own boss, how far you want to go, how far you want to drive, and how much time you want to spend on this app. So when I wake up, I just do like 2 or 3. That's my goal. So I'll just go handle like 1 hour at the store, come back, and then sometimes I'll pop up another one, 2 more pop up, go handle 1 more, and then sometimes like 30 minutes you wait and another one pop up, and then you go handle that, and then right there you come home and make like your 90 bucks, and you're just home chilling, make TikToks, and boom, self-boss, you're on your boss. You know what I mean? It really matters on you guys. Instacart has been helping me with money, like obviously, like I've been saying, and I think they do pay for mileage because lately I did like 2 swings in a week because, like I said, I don't really focus on it anymore. Like like money. I don't really focus on it, and they gave me like 50 bucks. They've been giving me like 50 bucks extra a week, I think, for mileage or gas. I don't know, but I've been taking it. Obviously, I'm not gonna question it, the hell, but it's really up to you guys. Like I said, $200 to $400 max on you guys. I really think you guys can make 500 in one day. Like I said, it just matters on your city. It matters on the demand. And obviously, wherever the high demand is, there'll be a lot of competition. But my opinion, for the big ones that are like $40, like I said, or $50 or $60, okay, remember, if it's $60, that means it's gonna be for 3 people. If it's $20, it could be for 1 person, or $30, it could be for 2 people or 1 person. So it really matters on you guys, like how much you want to drive. You guys calculate that. You guys do the math. You guys do all that. Like I said, minimum wage, what? It's like $13, $12 an hour right now. So a minimum wage, think about it. 8 times 12 is what? Like 120, 90 bucks. You pretty much do that. Being your own boss, we get at 7, like I said. Be done like at 10. 3, 8, 9, 10. 3 hours already. And I want to end it with this, guys. If you guys want to get paid today or tomorrow and want to start working today, like I said, apply today and then work tomorrow. You can, and if, like I said, if I want to get money right now, I can literally just log on the app, literally go do 3 swings and make my 90 bucks, and I'm done. I can go home and chill. But I don't recommend you guys driving at night because some addresses are hard to find. For me, I don't like driving at night. I don't like going out far at night because if I get a flat, if anything happens, I don't want to be lost out there like with groceries, and I don't have that pressure in my head. So like I said, my best opinion is early in the morning, guys. It's up to you guys. If you guys want to make quick cash, apply today, work tomorrow. That's simple. Be your own boss. Think of a better mindset. Don't always think like work 8 to 4 because you got to follow your dreams. You got to hit your goals, guys. So that's my opinion. So best of luck to anyone that's watching this, and make sure you guys like, subscribe, and share the video. And if you're 18 and over, have your own car, or whip, or Uber, anything, guys, make sure you guys try it out. And if you guys make quick cash, let me know how it goes. But thank you guys for watching, and peace out.